Buenas tardes. Back for another one. It is, well, the BMW video should be live by now, I think. Today is a bit of a more in-depth one between getting this moving and then getting the engine out of that thing. So in the last one, you see that I was putting all the brakes and everything back on this car, or kind of. I'm also filming on my iPhone now because I realised that in here, until I get my main camera back, the flicker and the light is just not good. It makes it look so small on camera, but yeah. Gonna do some bits to this today. Maybe, hopefully, take it out for a test drive. The only thing I need to actually do right now, I think, is bleed the brakes up, and then I think it's good to go, actually. What I've just thought, actually, with that being there, and I want to get that out, that means I got to move both of these, which this is doing my head in. This is the one owner V70 T5. Still nobody come on board it. It's up for £1,300 now. It's done 132,000 miles. It's absolutely fucking mint. I'm now selling it spares and repairs because it has got a recurring ABS / wheel speed error, which I've kind of given up with. I'm just not interested. I put a right front wheel speed sensor on it, fixed the fault, then the fault came back. You go to ABS traction control sensor, put it on, drove it home from the MOT, decided to shit its balls again. Thinking about it as well, actually, with that there, I don't really know where to put it because that's there. Gonna have to put it down there for a minute. This thing is also the world's quietest T5. But honestly, it is absolutely beautiful. It's a bit dirty in here because I haven't had a chance to clean it, but then it's not going to retail anyway. Hey, look at it. It literally doesn't look like anyone's really ever sat in it. Poor thing, apart from that dirt mark there. You ready for a cold start of the world's quietest car? Yep. Nice and quiet. It's horrible. It's like drizzle dizzle. Well, that's the boy out of the way anyway. Oh my god, get me inside. This is fucking horrible. So, the next part of the saga is getting this one out. That is the E39 keys. I'm not going to start that with the E39 keys, am I?
Yeah, boy.
Yes, take it off. This home dog has actually stole my spot inside of my own unit currently. Haven't you buy your... to the autism car? No, basically this hasn't run properly. As I said, I'm now outside because Mitchell stole my indoors. Yeah, this hasn't run properly in like, I think 4 years, give or take. So, what I'm going to do, let me put up my death trap of a bonnet stay quickly. Yeah, that won't kill me, will it? Oh, that might kill me. Do we think that would kill me? And they're not even BMX bars, they're fucking pit bike bars. But yeah, you can kind of see, I mean, it's had some things deleted. I'm not worried, I'm... Okay. Alright, so it's back open.
It does not have 6 gear.
No, it doesn't have 6 gear. Go on then, you ain't heard this run, have you? It will survive. Whoa, fuel pump. Give it throttle. Yeah, go on, girl. Hang on, more throttle. It'll get there.
No, God!
Yeah, it does sound cammed. He likes it. It does sound cammed. It sounds so bad. Poor thing.
Oh, if you rev it above 2, it actually sorts itself out.
Yeah, I don't know why it's misfiring. Quite surprised that's holding. But yeah, this is the like 4th time it's run in... I don't know actually. I think it's like the 4th time it's run in like 4 years. Alright, so yeah, it does run, but what I need to do is jerry rig the fucking map on because BMW in their wisdom have some weird oval pipes. And that's not an oval. Well, that's not. I am hoping that I've got some duct tape in the boot because duct tape will fix all, as you know. And I bet I don't have any duct tape. Oh, do I have some duct tape? Ooh. Right, let's see if using this I can figure out a way to get that onto that. don't want to toot my own horn, but I think you can actually fix a head gasket with a thingy, you know. Ain't coming off, mate. Just give it a crack. I was about to call that a victory, but it very much sounds like it wants to cut out. But we have a math. It does look bloody cool, this thing. It most definitely, I think, is running on maybe 2 cylinders. Yeah, that's choppy. If it had a cam in it, I'd be excited, but it doesn't have a cam in it, so it just means it's running like dog shit. I'm going to leave it running for like 20 minutes because, like I said, it hasn't run at all. Didn't have a gander in it. Maybe pop around the block because now it has brakes and everything. And yeah, then I suppose pull the plugs and give it a service and then pull the block because that's how we roll. I'm having success. How are you getting on?
Yeah, I've got the main bolt out. All the bolts are out, and it was the right way around.
So the gasket was correct. Thought it was. So what I'm trying to figure out right now is who is revving it. Yeah, you see that? Okie dokie, we've got a ghost. Bye bye, I'm not interested in that. That's got bad juju. Seriously though, that is a bit weird. And now it's idling fine, so I don't really know what's going on with it. Boss, what are you doing? Seriously, I don't get it. Like, what is that fucking noise at all? Okay. What, you don't want to be running? Is it trying to talk to me? Oh, chop, 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 chop. Alright, fair enough. We established that is a ghost car. I'm just going to leave the ghost car over there running. It's a ghost car. I don't like it. I'm going to stay with your Mini. It's revving itself. I don't understand it. Are you having success down there, boyo?
No.
How many times have you had this manifold off?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So me and Will are walking back to the unit
Gone well.
because I may have run out of fuel. Eat buddy. We've made it back to the unit. You haven't heard an engine turn back up, have you?
What?
It's down the road.
Wait, what?
We've run out of fuel, innit?
Fuck's
How are you
sake.
getting on?
I've nearly done it.
Anyway, we're going to go get one of them and then fuck off and go and get the bastard. So in the quest, we're all getting wet and I got petrol. But we found a pussy and he's coming to see the BMW. We've made it back for the boy. No, it wouldn't be that bad to push. But anyway. We're going to fill her up. Oh, is the cat coming? Oh, well, we have a pet now.
You know, I feel like an idiot.
I fucked it. These two are angry at me because we walked the whole way back and I left the fucking keys at the unit. Oh, and it's now raining. Oh, is the cat coming? We've called it Derek now. This is Derek the street cat. What's up, homie? What you saying, buff? Yeah. Mate, Derek don't care. Derek don't care. We have nearly made it back to the boy. It's now pissing down as well. You enjoying it, boy?
Whoopsie daisy!
I've made a real error and these two are really fucking pissed off at me now. We got all the way back to the car. I picked up the fucking E39 keys, didn't I? Oh, for fuck's sake. And we've lost Derek. He's up here somewhere. Derek! Anybody seen Derek? Oh my God, the flash has gone on. We have made it back to the vehicle with the correct keys this time. Let's see if it starts. Mint mate! Mint mate! Right, we're going to fucking hightail it back to the unit. I believe the problem wasn't fuel, it was the math fell off.
So it wasn't fuel all along?
I think it was fuel and the math fell off. Alright, so we got the fucking thing back, the math fell off. It was not fuel. I think these two are quite fucking angry at me. But we're going to see whether we can deck it now. So I'm going to take the spring out and see if we can all the way up to make it low as fuck. Autism has changed. Oh! Because we're now taking the back box off the Aspazzi. Because I can't lower this properly. I have decked this side. Hang on, I'll get your breaker bar quick. Time to make autistic noises with the Aspaz. This is the heart of our agricultural homie. Look at the fucking rust. Mate, I don't think that fucking turbo would come apart. I don't know whether that battery is supposed to be sat down there. Agriculture is good. This thing, we didn't get the back box off, but it runs like a trooper. And it will. Runs like a trooper, mate. You love it, don't you, boy?
Turbo whistle.
Oh, the smoke's starting. It does smell a bit. Oh, Will, fucking hell, boy. Fucking hell, boy. She's like a smoke show, boy. Yeah, it's still a smoker. It's still got 20 a day, I think. It's got better.
Oh, the idle's come back again.
Yeah, no, that's fine. No worries. I think we should put it in the workshop tomorrow. Everything's been returned. And the boy's snoozing. No, he's not really, but yeah. Oh shit, it's missing a tooth, mate. It's a fucking hillbilly, I just realised. It's got no fucking kidney grill. Yeah, innit? So that was a fuck up today. I'm going to end it there because, yeah, I'm tired and I just can't be fucked for anything else. We'll do something maybe on that or maybe the Aspaz tomorrow. Bye-bye.